Okay, we're starting the second balancing equations worksheet. We are going to first start with writing down all of our elements that we have to balance, and we're going to write down how many we have of each. So we have one carbon on this side and one carbon on the right. We have 4 hydrogens on the left and 2 hydrogens on the right, and we have 2 oxygens on the left. We have 2 oxygens here. We also have another one here, so we actually have 3 total. Don't forget to make sure you check all the equations. Alright, so the carbons are balanced, so we're fine there. Hydrogens, 4 on the left, 2 on the right, which means we want to multiply that by 2 in order to make this 4 so that they're balanced. Now you notice that also made those oxygens change. We now have 2 on the right. So instead of having 3 here, we have 2 here, and we have 2 more here, which means we actually have 4. So in order to make the oxygens balance on the left-hand side, we have to multiply that by 2. And we're good. So the final answer is 1, 2, 1, 2. This one is actually already balanced. We have NaCl. We have 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So there's nothing to do here. So we're going on to number 3. We have Al and we have O. We have 1 Al on the left and we have 2 on the right. We have 2 O's on the left and we have 3 on the right. So let's start with the aluminums. We have 2 here, 1 there, so we're going to multiply this by 2 in order to balance that out. Oxygens, we have 3 and 2. The smallest number that's divisible by both 2 and 3 is actually 6. So we're going to multiply the right-hand side by 2 to equal 6, and we're going to multiply the left-hand side by 3 to equal 6. Now, in the process, when we did that, we actually ended up changing the aluminums to equal 4, which means we have to go over here and switch this over to a 4. And now those are balanced. Okay, so we have nitrogen and we have hydrogen here. We have 2 on the left. Ignore this is a misprint. And we have 1 on the right. We have 2 hydrogens on the left and we have 3 on the right. So nitrogens, we have 2 here, 1 here. So we're going to multiply the right-hand side by 2 in order to make that balance. In the process, that mixed up our hydrogens, so we now have 6 hydrogens. In order to balance that on the left, we have to multiply this by 3. And then number 5, I mean, we went too far. We have carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. We have 1 carbon on the left and 8 on the right. 1 oxygen on the left and 1 on the right. 2 hydrogens on the left, and we have a lot of them on the right. We have 18 here and we have 2 here. So we actually have 20. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So carbons first. 8 here. We're going to multiply this side by 8 to make those equal. The oxygens in the process got messed up, and now we have 8 oxygens over here. In order to balance that out, we need 8. We're looking at the oxygens. There's only 1 here, so 1 times 8 is 8. That changed our hydrogens. We now have 16 here, and we have 18 here. So 18 plus 16 is 34. That changed it dramatically. So what divided by 34, or 34 divided by 2 is equal to what? And that would be 17. And that is the end of the first 5 of the second balancing equations worksheet.